When Hurricane Katrina barreled ashore, most people tried to get out of her way, but photographers Mike Tice, and Jim Reed drove right into it instead, staying in a hotel right on the beach in Gulfport, Mississippi, which, as you know, was in the bullseye of the storm, and they captured incredible images of the power of Katrina. Here is the exclusive video.
Well, here we are, Jim Reed and myself. We're in Gulfport, right on the coast. We got a big storm surge coming in now. Storm surge. Oh yeah, it's coming up now. You know what? Yeah, these walls are going to start coming in. The front bumper's coming off. Well, we're in the lobby here of our hotel. We're completely underwater in this first store here. There's chairs floating by. Big wave, big wave, big wave. Watch the store. See the water get sucked out and then it comes right back in. We're 4 stories up and you can see the water, the surge is dramatically risen here. This is Mother Nature at her worst right here.
Mike Tice and Jim Reed, good morning, gentlemen.
Good morning.
Jim, give me an idea why you two decided that Gulfport, Mississippi would be the place to go to capture the images of this particular storm.
Well, I think it was based on our knowledge of the forecast track. We monitor the computer models. We compare notes with other storm chasers. And I've been to Gulfport many times and have studied other hurricanes that have behaved similarly. Let's
talk about you guys holding up in the lobby of that Holiday Inn as Katrina stormed ashore. And as we see, and I think it's incredible to see the storm surge. A lot of people think the water just begins to rise slowly. It actually roars ashore. At any point during the filming of the footage we're watching right now, did you think you'd made a bad decision being there?
I think that we're always questioning our position. To do this with minimal risk, we're evaluating every minute, if not every second. And I know that I was concerned, and we were ready to move, and we actually had to move on several occasions.
And Mike, it didn't take long for the lobby of that Holiday Inn to fill with water. Were you surprised by how quickly that happened?
Well, I've done a lot of research on this, and I know that it does happen very fast when the surge does come up. So I was expecting it to happen, pretty fast, but I never witnessed it like that. And man, it came in so fast, and I could see how, it could really catch somebody. They shouldn't be there to begin with, but it could catch somebody off guard because it just does come up so fast.
It's so dramatic to watch that one moment where a car literally comes crashing through the doors of that hotel into the lobby. You guys then retreated out of the lobby into a stairwell, which didn't look all that safe to me either, the way the water was rushing in. When the storm finally passed and you had a chance to get out and look at Gulfport, a fairly developed and populated area, what were your impressions when you saw what was left?
I was horrified. We were exhausted, so I think the first reaction is you're somewhat in shock. But as we viewed the damage, as we did our damage survey, reality began to set in, and or at least I felt very lucky.
Well,
Same here.
I have to say that, we're very happy that you shared your video with us this morning, because I think it is a real education to see what this storm looks like as it comes ashore. I think a lot of people are wondering why you do what you do. But we're happy you're okay, and we thank you for joining us this morning.
Thank you very much.